Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your hosting plan. So as you can see, I have a business web hosting. When you click right here, hosting, you can see your hosting plan right here. And as you can see, there's 3 dots where you can click upgrade. So I'm just going to click on that. And let's see what they offer. So as you can see, I have now business web hosting. I can actually upgrade it to Cloud Startup, Cloud Professional, Cloud Enterprise, or leave the same hosting. So yeah, guys, you can choose all of these. For example, maybe you have a heavy traffic, lots of websites and projects. This is for a larger scale and growing websites, and this is for small businesses. So yeah, guys, that's how you upgrade your plan. After that, you just basically click upgrade. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.